What's up, guys? Today we will be covering an item that might replace our beloved hookshot. This item is this. I'm not sure what this is called, but let's get right into it. Just to clear things up, I think this item is called the yeetblade. It's called the yeetblade. So to get right into it, it does damage with the sword on the end, obviously. The only thing that really sets it apart is the range. It's got less range than the hookshot. If I stand on this step here, I can grab that wall with my hookshot. If I stand on this step, I cannot grab it with the yeetblade. So it's got a little bit less range. It's a little bit smaller. Yeah, the blade does a good bit of damage. So we can go show you that real quick. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It makes a cool sound when you swing it. I don't have a light, so this might be interesting, but yeah. Let's see, how many shots does it take to kill chicken? Can I have a light at least? Yes. Alright. How many shots does it take to kill the chicken? Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It takes 4 shots to kill the chicken. Yummy chicken. Can it mine? Let's find out. Well, I guess that's a yes. But I can't imagine practically using this. There we go. And we got a preppy stand. That was interesting. Dead. Let's see how many shots it takes to kill a red light green. Where is he? We don't need that grenade. Five, 6, 7, 8. 10 shots, I think. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Does it trigger this? I like playing with death. Yeah, let's see. Does it one-shot these things? Let's find out. Ain't no way. It doesn't. It 3 shots the nut crystals. That's crazy. Wait, did I just find a bug or something? Ah, okay. So you cannot use the end of the hook shot or yeetblade to hold it. So like on a hook shot, on your hook shot, you can use the end of it to support yourself. But with the yeetblade, wait a second. Last time I couldn't. Let's find out. Another. He's back. I don't know. What did that do to me? I have no clue. What are the point of bananas? Does anybody actually know? Oh, you want to hit me? Oh, I'll hit you back. You want to play that game? Okay, right. Now I will grapple onto the earth. That's what happens to bad boys. Anyway, just want to make a video. I was gonna say short, but no. I just want to make a video on the new yeetblade. I'm going to also show you the boomstick, I think it's called. I'm not sure. The new RPG variant. I don't have any ammo for it, so I can't shoot it. But yeah, it's like a kind of looks like the police baton. Boomspear, that's what it's called. It's like an upside down police baton, kind of. This is what it looks like. I don't have any ammo, see. I can't shoot it right now, but if I find some, I'll let you guys know. That's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. If you can like and subscribe, that would be nice. So yeah. Bye-bye, everybody. Be nice. Be kind. You know, all of the